let's start with booking for installation. With the Mi TV, you cannot open the box yourself. You have to go to their website and book for installation. You can find the link for this process in the Amazon's website on the product page. Click details for booking the installation. Follow these 3 steps and also note that if you want a wall mount installation, you will have to pay extra. Now open the link shown in the step 1. One of the main issue is if at all you open the box yourself, then your warranty will be void. Now in this page, select installation, enter your PIN code, your address and all the information accurately. Okay, and in this section select end users because you are a customer or a consumer. Select the model, and in my case it is 494A Pro series. Select the date of your preference and then select the preferred time slot. Make sure that your address, contact and mail ID are accurate. Select whether or not you want a wall mount here. Wall mount will cost you extra 499 rupees. The unopened box is kept in front of a 40-inch Philips LED TV. So this is Mi LED TV 4A Pro, full high definition Android TV, but it has only 2-star electricity savings ratings. It's a full HD, DTS HD, it has Patchwall OS as well as Google Android, it has Google Assistant, Google Play and Chromecast inbuilt. This is the first certified Android TV from Mi. There's instruction on how to open the box on top of it. And it says Android TV. And this is important. There are instructions on how to store the box when it is unopened and when you are waiting for the engineer to come and install it. Do not stand on it or do not keep it flat. That's all the instructions here, and pretty much everything you can understand from the graphics provided. So this is the thickness of the box, as you can see. On the other side, there is invoice attached, which will have your invoice number and sale number, and it also shows the cost of this product as MRP, that is 33,000 rupees. It shows the model number. It shows that there is 1 LED TV, 1 manual, 5 screws, 1 remote and 1 stand. The gross weight of this product is 14.2 kg. And also one thing you should remember, the size of this TV is pretty big. It is 49 inch. That means 1.1 meter in width. And the height of it is about 0.85 meter. Also, you can see that this product has been sold by Amazon. They also say that you should always believe that something wonderful is about to happen. But on YouTube, a few people have said otherwise also. Once again, the rating is 180 units per year. Now, 2 days later, the brand engineer from Mi visits my home for installation. Initially, I had it on a different slot, but due to some conflicts, we had to change the appointment. As you can see, the remote and the TV stand are all placed on the top of the box. There are also screws. Make a note, the remote does not come with battery cells. So keep 2 remote sized battery cells ready with you if you want to use the TV right away. In my case, I have selected wall mount, so I will not be using the 2 TV stands. But do remember, if you are willing to use the TV stand, then your table has to be more than 1.2 meters wide. I lent in my hands for some help for the service engineer to open the box. It was actually packed very well and innovatively. once we removed the pack, the service engineer carefully placed it on top of the box. Then he started checking the corners. That's when I knew he was actually inspecting the product to see if there were any physical damages. If at all there were any physical damages, he later added that the TV would be replaced right away. And in case if we had opened it ourselves and if we had found any physical damages, then it wouldn't have been replaced. That is why, people, please wait till the brand engineer comes to open your Mi TV box. Also make a note, this TV comes with only one physical switch, that is the power on and off button, which is located at the bottom of the TV in the middle of it. The service engineer, once after inspection, confirms that our warranty has been activated. Later, it will take some time for wall mounting to take the proper measurements on the wall, to make sure to take the proper measurements of the TV, the holes, and all other things. But do remember, you need to pay 499 rupees for this box, that is the wall mount. Mi doesn't charge anything for the wall mount installation. However, the mount itself costs 500 Indian rupees. The wall mount comes with these two brackets, the mount, and some screws. It will take for some time for the service engineer to fit the wall mount into the TV and then fix the mount onto the wall. The wall mount is adjustable in one direction only, and that too it is limited to 2 inches. That is, you can slide the TV for 2 inches only. After making 4 drills on the hole, we were almost set. The service engineer made sure that the TV was installed at the right level, and he also connected our DTH to the TV. Then he gave us a quick demo on how to use it. He installed it himself. So this is it. At the end, we had our first Android TV. The Patchwall OS is very good. There are a lot of content. Of course, it will need very fast internet. You will have to log in, update Android OS and all other things. I'll give a quick review about the product in my next video. So stay tuned. Please hit the like button, comment, share and subscribe.